All right, let's take a ride here in a 67 Corvette. This one's got a top on it. Last one, it did not.
I like the coupes. We don't get them too often, but they got a nice look to them.
Yep, they're the classic, man. They're the big icon from the 60s. And this one's got a 350 crate motor in it. It was replaced, obviously. They came with 327s. And it's got 2-speed power glide, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Drives pretty good.
It drives nice. Same owner for since 1969. California car.
Oh yeah.
It's got blue plates on it.
Yep, it's got teak wheel on there.
Telescopic too. You can.
Yeah. In and out. In and out.
Yeah.
Yep, there we go, man. It's a cruiser.
Got some rally wheels on there. We just put some rallies with some new trim rings on it. Looks nice.
Yep. Yep. Got the factory AM FM down there.
Gauges work too. All gauges. Tachometer, speedo, gas gauge.
Yeah.
No clock. Sorry.
Yeah, clock don't work. Sorry.
That's normal.
Yeah. We're always shocked when we see a clock work in an old car.
I know.
Usually means that it was rebuilt.
Yeah, converted to quartz or something.
Yep. We got the back area here. You can throw a couple duffel bags back there for a trip.
It's original silver pearl metallic too, which is nice. These cars look great in silver.
Oh yeah. All right, let's step on it, James. Woo, man, watch it.
Slow down.
Oh, wait, never mind. You didn't even step on the gas.
Oh yeah. Steering's tight too. Suspension, everything feels real good. I have a feeling the car was babied for many, many years. It was Pop's toy, so.
Yep, took good care of it. And it's a fun car. And, you know, like I said, this is the one that, with this Corvette, you know, this is, to me, it's, you know, the iconic, the 67, you know, it's always been the...
One of the best years of this vintage, too.
Yeah, the Stingray, you know, there it is, Stingray. Yeah. This is the epitome of it right here. All right, we're coming up on the big motion picture spot here, and we'll be back.
This is a good one right here. 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. I think still one of the best years, 67. They kind of worked out all the little bugs and added features to them, like the 4-wheel disc brakes, and this one's got power steering. It is kind of a strippy other than that though. It's got roll-up windows, no power. It doesn't have air conditioning. It is an automatic, so it's kind of a cruiser. You might want to let the wife drive it. But this is silver pearl metallic. It's got black interior. It's got the nice rally wheels with the disc brake caps on there. Kind of remind me of like a gull wing, the way these doors wrap around over the top. Little peak there on the roof. Just a really cool looking car. I mean, the only one I think looks a little better is a split window. But those are $150,000 now, it seems like. But blue California plates, same owner since 1969. Like we mentioned earlier, the engine was replaced back in the 80s with a 350 from the dealer. That's a crate motor. Runs fantastic though, drives good, brakes are good, tires are good. Clean title, straight, paint's nice, older paint, but still looks very presentable. Show you the interior. Real clean. I mean, you know, the dash is in good shape, all the chrome and the gauges all work, steering wheel's in good condition. Looks like probably the original carpeting, I'm not sure, but it's just kind of an older, well-kept vehicle. No rips or tears in the interior. AM, FM radio. And like I mentioned earlier, a telescopic steering wheel. It's an iconic, classic American sports car. Here's the power plant in the 67 Corvette. As I mentioned earlier, it's a 350 crate motor. Pretty stock, still got the exhaust manifolds on there. The stock one's got a new carburetor, a little Edelbrock with a regulator on there. Dual master for the disc brakes. Power steering, steers nice. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Stock as can be, purrs like a kitten. Really easy engine to take care of, not much to it. You can do some upgrades if you wanted to, but you know, it's fine for what it is. Sounds good coming out the tailpipes. Great looking, great sounding car. Well, if you want to come out and see this one in person at California Cars, we're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley. Phone number here is 818-591-1313. You can speak to myself, Rich, or Gary, and we'd be happy to tell you more about the car. Thanks for watching.